Hello there and welcome to Jack Auto Agents, and this is Paul speaking, and today we've got another Suzuki Jimny, and what a beauty. Obviously it's green, as you can see, but this particular vehicle is 2024 June registered, so it's ripe for coming to the UK. And it's only done 13 kilometres. It's about 9 miles, so it's definitely delivery mileage. So you know, as a brand new car. This is a JC spec, so it's the top of the range. Got the alloy wheels. That's how you sort of recognise it straight away as being a JC version. It's got those alloy wheels, and it's very highly spec'd. It's got crash protection, cruise control, heated seats, obviously high and low ratio, and this is actually automatic, this one. It's an auto. Indicators in the door mirrors. See the camera down the underside of the near side mirror. The level of spec's very high. It's got the buttons on the doors for the proximity keys, so you can unlock the doors. So this vehicle has been bought today, which is the 23rd of November 2024, and so we've now just bought this car, but to be quite honest, the level of inquiries I've been getting to these, it's going to go very, very quickly indeed, very quickly, and we just supplied 3 of them. The other 3 we supplied were manuals. This one happens to be an auto. And it seems like people aren't bothered, auto or manual. They want them. There's obviously, you can see the chassis, and look, there's the chassis number. You can actually see them stamped into the actual chassis. So I would recommend whoever bought this vehicle, when you get it into the UK, is to give it a good spraying of Lano Guard or wax oil to protect the car. It will extend the life of the car by years, many years, keep it in good health. So this vehicle is available for purchase and export stroke import into the UK as a personal import for my customers. I provide the opportunity for my customers to buy these cars at exactly the same price that I would have to pay if I was buying the car myself, and buy it from the fountain of supply, which is in the auctions in Japan. Now you may wonder, you know, why have they got this car in the auctions? It's quite simple. The Suzuki dealers in Japan will be under contract to accept so many cars direct from the factory each year. So this will be getting their allocation. But the problem they run into in Japan is parking space. Firstly, parking space. So what they do is they get them in on a transporter, get them registered, and then send them down to the auctions in Japan just to put them out of the way, because they haven't got the room for more cars that keep being forced upon them direct from the factory. That, and also the working capital. They'll probably get about 90 days credit on these vehicles. So the combination of the money and the parking space, more the parking space than the money I would expect, is the problem. So there are a lot of vehicles that go to auction in Japan. They usually grade them as S grade, S for sugar grade, and an A grade interior. That's what I sort of describe these cars with delivery mileage. So I don't expect this is going to be here for long. Literally it's going to go very, very quick. But if anybody's interested in something like this, get in contact with me and I will take you through the process of how I supply these cars. And in truth, the best way to do this is to get me set up, appointed as an agent, put a small deposit in place, and that puts you to the head of the queue. You're at the front of the queue when they come available, or we can actually target one of a particular colour and spec direct from the auctions. And so get in touch with me and I'm happy to explain the process. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.